Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go over the ticket to the test. All right, number one, we'll multiply each of the following. We are distributing this monomial to this polynomial. So remember, when you're multiplying, you're adding up your exponents. All right, that's it in standard form. Next. We have 9x minus 1 quantity squared. When that squared is on the outside, we expand out and write it twice. And the name of the game is double distribution. So we have this. All right, so those are the partial products that you should have for your double distribution. Now you're going to combine your like terms down the middle. So your answer should be 81x squared minus 18x plus 1. Remember, when you're combining like terms, you do not add exponents. All right, next. This is a classic binomial times a trinomial. So we're going to do double distribution. The x needs to be multiplied by everything in the second parentheses. So this is x times x squared is x cubed plus 4x squared minus plus, 8x. That's your first product. Now you're going to distribute a negative 4 to everything in the second parentheses. Okay, now we're going to combine our like terms. X cubed is by itself, and so is the negative 32. So those goes on our ends. Now we're going to combine our x squareds and our x's. So we have negative 4x squared plus 4x squared cancels out to nothing, so we don't even need to write anything. Negative 16x plus 8x is negative 8x. So your answer is x cubed minus 8x minus 32. The degree of this is 3. All right, just food for thought. We're going to skip to number 3, complete the following. A is 3x to the third divided by 9x squared. So you're going to do 3x 3 times. Get that value. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. X to the 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9. And then divide that by 9x squared. Divide the coefficients. Subtract the exponents. Next up, we're going to do negative 15 divided by 3, and we get negative 5. Now we're going to subtract the exponents. A to the 5th over a to the 7th is a to the negative 2nd. And then b is just going to stay on the top. So I have negative 5b. Since this is negative, it goes in the bottom. So this should be your final answer. Now you could even write it like this, negative 5, a to the negative 2nd b. But then since this has a negative exponent attached to it, it has to go to the bottom. So that's the answer. Subtract 3x squared minus 6x plus 8 from this. From comes first. That goes first. Negative 4x squared plus 2x plus 4 minus 3x squared minus 6x plus 8. Now you're going to distribute a negative 1. That's what you do when you're subtracting, and then you combine your like terms. Negative 3x squared plus 6x minus 8, and then let's combine all of our like terms. All right, combine all the x squareds to get negative 7, same signs add and keep. 2x plus 6x is 8x, and then 4 minus 8 is negative 4. And finally, number 5, the length of a rectangular garden is represented by 2x plus 3 and 3x plus 1. Express the perimeter as a polynomial. So we have a rectangle. The length is 2x plus 3. The width is 3x plus 1. So you have to understand the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal to each other. The perimeter means add all sides. So that's going to be 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So that is 4x plus 6 plus 6x plus 2. Combine your like terms, 10x plus 8. That is the perimeter, the length around the rectangle. Now the area. You should know area is equal to length times width. So we have to do the length times the width. We only worry about 2 sides. And when we combine like terms, we get that the area is equal to 6x squared plus 11x plus 3. All right, guys, I hope this helped. Have a good one.